not just a brand for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we put.
So guys, also at the e-mobility expo, we have met these guys about Spiro, and this is the most affordable motorcycle in the market. This is the most affordable one.
Which is it?
And in Uganda, Econ 450M.
Yes.
What you get M2?
Yes.
What are M1?
Yes.
M1 uchi. Nafu kweno?
No. Styling, no.
Yes. 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 And how much is this one?
It's 3.8 cash. Also 168,000.
Yeah.
Yes, down payment.
3 point. Negwera mu meka bwabaguze mabanja.
Okuze mabanja izo kujanga mu 6 Over 2 years sente zo wazikola.
Oba wazikola dda. Kati nakyusa eryanda. But 3.8 but wetaga financing. 3.8 otunda ka plot asatu kwa 2 n'ogula pitch. Wait! This is massive. This is massive.
Tomorrow we bring the love, not just the horsepower. Is it a no or a TX ride? We'll show you what's real, not just the hype. Starlet views and engine rolls. We teach you more than just for doors. Taking tools from the basics up, trucking gear and car care stuff. If you're new.
So guys, this is how the Spiro rides. You know, I have to, it has no sound, so this is the only sound I have. And then it has this brake, and then the foot brake, which is the rear one. So we're going to go and test drive the humps and also the runway, and then we see how it works. And that's one of the small cars by Kira EV, I think. So these are the humps, guys. Let's see how it goes.
Are you ready?
And then it has 3 drive modes, guys. Tulimu number 3. I'm not going to even try the other modes because number 3 is already enough. 32 kilometers per hour now. Okay, we're going to test the speed, yeah? Okay. Okay, that's fast. That's fast. Woo! And that's not so fast in figures here, but in practice, that is really, really fast. Personally, I think I was faster in 3. I don't know how these handle. Maybe simanyize kuhesabu bulungi, but I find that 3 is sufficient. Wadogambi yesinga obunafu.
The truth of just a brand for car lovers across the land. For the love of cars, Uganda, we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Review tips, we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love, for the love, for the love of cars, Uganda. Pre-purchase checks, we lead the way. Track your car, no get.
You're a soldier?
No, sir.
You're not a soldier, but Nick.
Yeah.
Eh? You're a professional.
Yeah.
So how does this thing work here?
It's a robot. It's actually designed for both military and civilian work.
Yeah.
It has civilian applications and military applications.
So for civilian application, what would I be doing, using it for?
Rescue of maybe personnel, they got some injuries, firefighting, we can mount a horse there. And then a fire horse.
Yes, and then
they move. You can mount it on top there, and then it can go maneuver through the corners and inner rooms.
Yeah.
Then set on fire.
And then this is rubber.
Yeah, this is rubber.
Ah.
Then we even have a smaller version.
So this is for what then?
That one can do like surveillance at home. Instead of a dog, you can have this one moving around and you're monitoring in your bed.
How much is this one?
That one, it is still under the government. We have not yet
This and this are the same.
Yeah, but it's just a different model. And then this one is a bigger version.
Yeah. So guys, this is the dog. That's the dog at home. And then this? No. This is for carrying stuff.
Yeah, carrying stuff. From one place to another location in maybe a warehouse or something.
It's also remote controlled. Eh?
Yeah.
This is nice. And these?
And these are 3D printers.
I want a 3D printer.
Yeah.
These are in production already.
They are working.
How much can I buy myself one? How much can I buy myself one? There are a lot of things that would. But do you guys have material for using? This is raw material.
This is the material. This one has a selector. It can print. Like you can see this. This is black and this is green.
Yes.
So it can print something maybe with different.
Give me a business card. Yeah, give me a business card. I want this insurance and then liquid. Where? So, and then banks, and then we have Plascon, make paint, cup paint, and then Rigo paints as well, and then yes, Mogo, and then Voltage E-mobility. Mr. Chibuka, Karisewo, naye nsanyi sokulaba. We bali representing basomese. I'm taking this course. It's very nice. Guys, we are here at Voltage E-Mobility Institute. Remember, the sponsors of the Love for Cars convention. Now, this, I'm also doing their course, by the way. And we are with Mr. Chibuka and Dr. Kajubi. And these guys will teach you how to fix a car. Small cars like the Spacio, hybrids like the Prius, electric cars, and even trucks, even buses. And they teach you using the computer here. If you could, can you show them?
This time, this is not connected to this.
It's not connected, eh? But I'm also doing this course, and that's how you go. They teach you, and then you do a test. I'm failing those things. Hey, you learn, and then you do a test. You learn, and then you do a test. And this is for hybrid. Eh?
Yes.
Now they are teaching this. Now they're now they are teaching you electric or hybrid, how it works, and then you do a test. So you can go to voltageinstitute.com. Voltage is VOLTEGEINSTITUTE.com. Oh, it's here. And you go there and then you can contact them and Notanko Kuiga. Yeah, so this is the website. Again, I know about how you go through the courses. It's very, very enlightening, very empowering. I'll be sharing some of the things that I'm learning here. And then, of course, Mr. Chibuka, you guys that came to the convention met him and he demonstrated how it works. So when you go, he will be also an instructor. Even Dr. Kajubi will also be an instructor there. Tugenomaliza nga tumanyi okukanika mugarajo ogendayo nga bali mugarajo wasinga obimanya. Buuza ku bantu Mwami Chibuka.
He's one of my students. Kosi yakamala weeks 3. Akambye waliwo ebimutawanya naye ngendayo manyi ngendayo ne.
Ogendayo n'olaba?
Yes, kati problem yo ogenda speed.
Papi.
Oli ku watandikidde ebimu wagenda ku expert level directly. Dayo kukundi ku.
So kenzireyo.
Yes. Even what wagenze ku expert level, I see you are not scoring badly, but you can score better.
Kati ngenda kuddayo eri. The one thing that intrigued me is that they teach you from the basics. Zinalisimanyi the fire extinguisher zirimu type. Nti waliwo ezizikiza empapula, waliwo ezizikiza engoye, waliwo ezizikiza petrol, waliwo zinalisi bimanyi nabiyigira awo. So ojja genda ogule fire extinguisher agenda ozikize moto. Nosooka nosome. Exactly.
Element za safety eza workshop.
Yes.
Something chetutalina wano. Yakati byosookerako then nogenda mu bintu ebirala ebiri basic eno otuukayo mu zibatteries naki mu EVs
napapye nga njagala tuukako napapye nga njagala tuukako eno
mpolampola level by level.
Yes.
You get it.
Amina mwami Kibuuka bane Dr. Nsanyisa obalaba tugende tunoonya abantu abalala bajje baneegatteko nabo basome tuleme okubeera n'abantu abatamanyi. Mwami Kibuuka ffe Mobility Expo tugidduseemu ate era okomawo ku kimeeza njagala ojje ku kimeeza nga nnyina byensomye nga biwera kati nga tuddayo nga tubiyitamu nga bwe babiraga. Kale mwami Kibuuka Nsanyisa obalaba.
For the love of cause Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol. Review steams we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love, for the love, for the love of cause Uganda. Welcome to the road where rubber meets the soul.
And then yes. What's up, man? And then where's the gun? Where is the gun?
The gun we don't bring it.
Hey.
Yeah, we only bring this one.
We can buy these for our personal things, for use at home.
Under some circumstances, you can, but it's more for restricted.
So this one, the bullet cannot go through.
You can see we just this using AK. The bullet didn't go through.
The AK shot here.
Yeah, an AK shot here.
AK shot here. So the bullet went here.
Yeah, the bullet.
So it's still in here.
No, of course.
It goes and then comes out.
Find ways of getting out.
And it's heavy.
Yeah,
can
no,
I
but
put
now
on
this one? We can't. This one is already out. This has been phased out. This is steel. So we don't produce steel
and then this
anymore.
is what material?
This is called ultra high molecular weight. It's a high density polyethylene.
This is steel. Guys used to wear this.
Yeah, back in the days.
Up to what here? And then this? This is the same with this.
This was the first plate-proof product that was done.
Yeah.
Then afterwards we went to this. This is a ceramic product.
So which bullet went through here?
This was a PK bullet.
What's the PK?
PK is twice as strong as AK.
But still not go through. See, it stopped here.
Yeah.
Can I wear a sample of the bullet?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
the bullets don't go through here as well.
Yeah, these ones are for pistols. These ones stop pistols.
Even this one stops pistols.
No, this one stops AK and PK.
Yeah.
Eric, you need to put on.
Let me pass this. Okay. So guys, I'm going to put on a bulletproof vest. And yeah. Can I test running with it? Yeah. Just to see how strong I am.
She's okay. Call me, you want to run away.
I'm not going anywhere. So I'm only missing a gun so that I see how. Let me leave my hat here as Bajita security. Eh? How do I fasten it? Just like that. Eh? Come. Let's see how powerful I am. So guys, see, this is how they be when they are in the field. It's actually not that heavy. But you see, it stops there, and then they have a bunch of bombs. But okay, it's not as heavy as you would expect, but it's good enough. So it's supposed to like hold the chin here. And they have a bunch of things in here. Yeah? This is nice, and it's actually not that I think it makes moving for a trained person actually easier.
Yeah,
It's easier than this.
Because now, if you are putting on this whole thing would be 12 kilograms.
Yeah.
Now this is about 7.
Yeah, like there's no way you could jump over that.
So, but they use
Hey, I'm training. Like the training, they go through, eh? Thank you very much.
but just be careful, look at it.
Ah, no.
We now do very well.
Yes. I know. So all these things are made here. They make police and private security, and then make the card, the hats as well, the gloves. Like we can't even buy gloves.
No gloves, those ones you can buy.
We can buy them, they are allowed. You have some?
Right now, only came with just samples because I had different samples like glove, then knee and elbow. Only came with samples.
Where would we buy the gloves? Here, eh?
Chevron. It's something in Chevron.
Yeah.
We have one Chevron, then another in Nakasero.
Where exactly in Chevan?
Three-party business park.
Okay, I'll go there and of course the boots we can't buy. Those ones I know. Thank you very much. And then this is the laboratory. Yeah. Hi. So what you guys do?
Yeah, so this is store for Heli International Services Limited. We major in overhaul of aircraft.
Yeah.
Yes, and in addition to that, we have other services like chemical laboratories,
Yes.
and, workshops. All those work together to assist us in our role in overhauling the aircraft.
Yes.
So we're coming out here to extend these services to normal people.
That have helicopters.
No, because most of the services cut across. So we have a laboratory that does testing of chemicals. Where we major in testing oils.
Yes.
So we check for the quality of the oils, that
Yes.
digestive, ash points, those technical terms. We just have a meteorological lab that does calibration of those.
And then this?
So now that other one is for the machine shop. So basically mechanical related works.
Yes.
Yes, that are not done in laboratories, they're done in workshops. We have a machine shop that helps in fabrication of different parts, components.
Yes.
Then we also do other things like painting and even upholstery.
This is lovely. And then proheli.net. Thank you very much.